There's something about manual work. There's a sweet little something I just can't manage to put my finger on. There's an authenticity that goes into it, you know? It's that feeling you get as a customer when you tell yourself, hey, someone made this for me. See, people actually got together to make me this thing. Whoa. It's a principle that blows my mind. How personalized service can be. How I can have exactly what I want and how I want it. And the people who do it, you know they care. Because they know exactly who they do it for. People just like them. The passionate. The restless. The family guys. The cowboys. That's just how it lives up in this field of work. Quality, authentically crafted products for adrenaline-seeking joyriders. VIP Air.